Coupons. That's another great one to use as an engagement tool. And the way this works, there are quite a couple of things you can do with this actually. So the way you add a coupon is that in the live session dashboard, you click on the little plus sign here, you go to apps, and then you have the coupon frenzy, we call it. And when you click that, you get this, dialogue with quite some stuff in there. But the easiest way for you to actually create a coupon is you give it a name. So let's say 20% off, why not? And everything, of course. And you can give it a coupon ID, like let's say December off, 20 off. You can decide how many of those coupons you actually want to be able to be claimed, right? So like maybe you don't want to give unlimited, but it's like 10. And you can put a confirmation message like congrats, use the coupon during checkout. There we go. And you can put an image. Panda head, of course. So now what you can then see is the coupon delivery. Now there are a couple of things that now you can configure, right? So like what we have here is a default coupon delivery, and what this means is you can specify the actual coupon code. This means every user that is going to claim the coupon is going to get this code, and then you can configure this code in your e-commerce store, and during the checkout they can use this coupon code, right? So it's like probably the same way on how you already use coupons. And what you want to do is you want to turn off call coupon API endpoint. I'm going to come back to this, what this means, because this is where the fun part happens. But for now, we're going to create a simple coupon. And you can also enable a countdown deal for the coupon, which means that the coupon is only going to be available for 1, 2, 3, or 5 minutes. And what's the purpose of the coupon? Obviously, like people are going to claim those coupons. You're going to create again urgency using the countdown if you want. Otherwise, you just make the coupon available for as long as you want. And of course, you can always manually remove the coupon as well. So I'm going to save this coupon now. And as you can see, it created the little tile over here. And of course, also for all our users. And when they click it, they will get the stuff that we configured. And they will also get the coupon that says here, your coupon code has been generated. Now, that's the interesting part, right? So, because as I mentioned, you can give them a static coupon code, which is like one that, like a code that's the same for everyone. But there's another setting here, which is super interesting, which is our call API endpoint. And this API endpoint, it's configured in the add-on settings. I'm going to show you in a second. And you can further specify if you want to actually show the coupon in the confirmation dialog, which is here. It will appear here, right? So now what can you do with that? So what happens is you have this API endpoint configured, and this is your API, right? What happens if someone clicks on the coupon, it will actually make a call to this API endpoint. You can generate the coupon on your system, and you can return a unique coupon code for that customer. So what is interesting here, right? So you could, when this API is called, it's up to you, right? So you can query your CRM and say, hey, who is this customer? Do I know them? If I know them, I give them a different type of coupon code. Or have they purchased something before? I give them a coupon code for that, right? So like you can literally, you could send out an email on the process, right? So like as soon as they click the button, you actually send them an email with the coupon code. You can put it directly into the shopping cart, like all sorts of stuff you can think about that you can do when they click that coupon button. And this API endpoint, the way that you configure it is in the add-ons. It's over here under the coupon generator. And when you click on manage this add-on, you can specify your API endpoint. So this API is not something from us, but this is something from that you have to build, right? You have to build this API. So you don't have to use an API. You can just render a static coupon code, or you want to go fancy, you build an API and you create customized coupon codes. So again, from simple to complex, everything is possible. And the other thing that you see here is the data collection. So as you can see, when I clicked on the coupon, we actually didn't ask for any information. But what you can configure here is that you say, hey, I want to collect the email address whenever someone claims a coupon, right? And we can try this now. So if I go back, well, this system over here already knows my email. Let me see if I can simulate it, because I'm already authenticated. Yeah, it already knows me, so that's why it doesn't actually ask for any additional information. It already knows everything about me, but because you can see I'm already logged in over here. But if I wasn't, it would actually then first pop up with the dialog where it asks for my email and phone number, so I have to provide this and then I get the coupon. So you can also use it as a data capture mechanism. And yeah, so that's kind of like how the whole thing works. Super cool tool. As said, you can deliver a simple static coupon code that you just configure in your e-commerce store. So that's like super simple to do. Or you do something more complex by creating a custom API call where you send emails, put it into the shopping cart, customize the coupon code, and do all sorts of things that you can imagine.